So now that we have all the collectors connected in between each manifold and at the top to the roof, we'll go back with our bottom mounting pads, which are the same as the top mounting pads. They're a little bit wider to allow for some glide for thermal expansion and contraction. We're going to locate those directly below the counterparts at the top, and we'll go ahead and lag bolt those into the roof as well. Again, you'll want to make sure and seal everything correctly. So now that we have all of the connectors, CPVC pipe connectors, mounting hardware, and end caps in place, the last thing we want to do, and we want to stress, is that each mounting pad is going to require 2 number 6 stainless steel screws. There's 2 screw holes you'll see at the top of each mounting pad. You need to drive those 2 screws in. That's going to help hold the clamp together in case of a wind event. Set the 2 screws in place, drive those in. We'll repeat that process for the rest of the mounting pads on the top and the bottom.